Here r12 vector, that is displacement vector from q1 to q2. R12 vector direction is q1 to q2. Similarly, r21 vector displacement vector from q2 to q1, direction is this. This is what r12 vector q1 to q2. R21 vector q2 to q2 q1, and this is related r12 vector related r12 cap. R21 vector related r21 cap vector, because a vector related a cap and magnitude, a vector related a cap. Similarly, r12 vector r12 cap, r21 vector r21 cap. Now in above expression, in first case, in a similar way, in second case we can write, in first case similarly we can write in second case, force acting on q1 due to q2, force acting on q1 due to q2 b, that is f12 vector equals to beta q1 into q2 divided by f12 vector, direction is this, direction के देखुची this r12 cap, r direction जुआड़े same direction as r12 cap. Therefore we can write r12 square and r12 cap. f12 vector equals to beta q1 into q2 r12 cap by r12 vector modulo square. That implies we can write f12 vector equals to beta q1 into q2 divided by r square into r12 cap. Since r12 equals to r21 equals to r. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. 1, 2, very carefully, because 1, 2, 1, 2. But in previous 1, 2, 2, 1. In first case 1, 2, this is 2, 1. But in this case 1, 2, 1, 2. Similarly, force acting on q2 due to q1. Similarly, force acting on q2 due to q1 f21 vector equals to beta q1 into q2 by r square r21 cap. Similarly, force acting on q2 due to q1 f21 vector equals to beta q1 into q2 by r square r21 cap. Equation number 2. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. That implies f21 vector equals to beta q1 into q2 by r square. In place of r21 vector, in place of r21 cap, we can write minus r12 cap. This is equation number 2. This is not equation number 2. This is equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can write f12 vector equals to minus f21 vector. f12 vector equals to minus f21 vector. In both cases, In both cases, F12 vector equals to minus F21 vector. In next class, we study in terms of position vector.
ये गोटे मिनिट